Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to select or display records from the table, how to select records with condition, and how we can change values or records into the table. If you want to display records from the table, so you have to follow select statement. MySQL select statement is used to search or select records from one or more tables. If you want to display all columns from your table, you can use asterisk symbol, which indicates all fields with the select statement. The syntax is select asterisk from table name and mark the semicolon, so it will display all the information or records from your table. If you want to see some specific columns from your table name, so you can use select statement with column name. The syntax is select column name, then use comma, again column name from table name. The order in which you list the columns affects their order in the resulting output. You can also perform conditions with select statement. For this, you can use where keyword, where clause is used to specify the condition for searching. Only those records will be retrieved that satisfy condition given with where clause. For example, select column list from table list where such condition. So here is the syntax: select column name from table name where conditions. If you want to modify or update some values into the table records, you can use update command. The update command changes one, many, or even all records in a table depending on the conditions that you specify. The syntax is update table name, set is the keyword, then column name equals to your updated value, where condition. So where is the optional with the update statement. If you did not use this where statement, then it will update all the values or all the records with the same value. So here is my table employee. Use select statement, select asterisk from the table name employee, so it will display all columns or all information from your table name. The spelling is select, so use the correct commands or queries. Select star from employee, okay. So here you can see it will display all the information from your table when you use select statement with asterisk symbol, so it will display all the columns. But if you want to display some specific columns with select statement, for example, I want to display only employee name and employee salary from table employee, so it will display only two columns, employee name and salary. You can also use where clause for condition matching. For example, select star from employee, so it will display all information from your table, but I want to display complete information of employee number 1, that is employee where id equal to 1, where id equal to 1, so it will display all the information of employee number 1. In the same manner, you can use specific columns with where statement, where id equals to 1, use semicolon, so it will display these two columns of employee number 1. So whose id is 1, display employee name and employee salary. Now let's see how to update or modify values into the table. For example, I want to change the address of Namit. So for this, I can use update statement. Update statement is used to change the values into the existing records. The syntax is update. The table name is employee, update table name, set column name, that is employee address, equals to, and the updated value. The updated value here is Agra, and the condition where id equals to 2. So it will update your table employee and set employee address as Agra where id equals to 2. So your query is okay. Let's see. So here you can see the address has been changed. If you use update statement without where condition, so it will update all the records or all the employee address with the same value, that is Agra. So here you can see 2 records has been changed. So it has been changed all the records with same values Agra. So that's all about update statement. In the next video we will perform some more queries. Thank you for watching the video.